Hi, this is the Songbird Homemade Cooking. Today I'm making macaroni and cheese. It's early in the morning, it's like 7 a.m. So in here I have some butter. Most of the time I like to do it separately. I like to make just a cheese sauce first. And sometimes I just mix it in. You know, if I don't want to take a long time to do what I'm trying to do. So right now, I'm trying to get this butter out with one hand. And it's kind of hard to use one hand and hold the camera. I really got to get some more gadgets for my show. Alright. Let's put that right in there. And of course, everyone knows how to make macaroni and cheese, I'm sure. But each time I make it a little bit different. I don't make it the same every time. Okay, not every single time. I mean, basic recipe, the same, but not completely the same. Look at that. There's stuff in the oven. I don't need in there. So, the macaroni, again, I like to make it, part way. I don't like it to be 100% done because I don't want it to be soggy. Yeah, I gotta scrub this stove a little bit. I got arthritis in my hands, so I have to wait for someone to come and do it for me. But that's what happens when you cook a lot. Alright, cook a lot. I guess if you don't cook as much as I do, your stove is probably immaculate. 100%. But either way, we're not here for that, how to clean a stove right now. It's about this macaroni and cheese. You can see it's a little stuck together. But the milk is going to take care of that. Yes, I did absolutely rinse it a little bit, not a lot. Because if I rinsed it 100%, it wouldn't be sticking together at all, of course. Right now, somebody put something in my oven. And it smells like it's smoking. What in the hell? Okay. So basically, kind of incorporate that butter that I put in here at the bottom into these noodles. Okay, again, this top of the stove is not on. What is going on in my oven? Something in my oven is not good. See, that's what happens. I'm like,